Women and ADHD, written by Suzanne Byrd, narrated by Nikki Delgado. Introduction. I have also found that there isn't much in the way of informational material that is easy to digest in this area. There are some very good books which talk about ADHD in a great deal of detail, and others that are merely repeating what a few blogs are saying. I wanted to go for something that was easy to digest, along with something that would be eminently useful to my audience. So, who is my main audience for this book? I believe that they will be mainly women, or their other halves, who are interested in reading material about ADHD in adult women, because A, they have recently been diagnosed with ADHD, or B, they strongly suspect they may have adult ADHD and they want to know more information about it. There is a small subgroup, C, that is the spouse or other half of the women in question, and they want to usually know more about the condition so that they can be in a better position to help their partner out and also to understand their own emotional response to some of the signs and symptoms of adult ADHD. Okay, let's talk about the key difference when it comes to gender and adult ADHD. ADHD has not been widely investigated in ladies. Much more is known about exactly how it influences youngsters, and now there is also a growing body of evidence and literature about ADHD in men. There is increasing recognition that women too can suffer from adult ADHD. However, there seem to be some patterns that differ in between men and women with ADHD. As an example, men with ADHD often tend to have more car accidents, suspensions in institution, drug abuse, and also anger and behavioural problems, compared to women with ADHD. But men are a lot more vulnerable to these types of issues as a whole, regardless of ADHD. Women with ADHD are much more susceptible to eating disorders, obesity, low self-worth, clinical depression, and anxiety. But again, mental health challenges often are more prevalent in women compared to men. These obstacles also frequently play out in various areas of their lives. Male with ADHD might, for example, have troubles at the office, be incapable to complete their jobs, or getting angry too quickly at subordinates. This is the view of the teacher of psychiatry and pediatric medicine at the University of Pennsylvania, Anthony Rostein, MD. Women, on the other hand, are most likely...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?